Hello students, welcome to the class of mathematics, chapter number 14, statistic, part 3. In part 1 and part 2, we are already studied about mean and mode. In this session, we are studied about median. Median are divided into two categories. First of all, we can understood that median of grouped data. Now, median of an ungrouped data. After arranging the observation in the ascending or descending order, the observation which is obtained in the middle is called median. So, if the observation is odd, which means the number of observation is 1, 3, 5 odd, then we have to use median m is equal to n plus 1 by 2th observation. If the number of observation is even, then median is equal to n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. Now, this is for ungrouped data. Now we can understood about when the median R is in grouped. So, when median is in grouped data, in the given frequency distribution, the class whose less than type cumulative frequency is greater than the nearest n by 2 is called the median class. Greater than n by 2 commutative frequency means the smallest among all commutative frequency which are greater than n by 2. At that time we can use the formula median m is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by f into h. Here n means number of observation. L is equal to lower limit of the median class. N is equal to total number of observations, otherwise frequency. Cf is equal to commutative frequency of class preceding the median class. F is equal to frequency of the median class and H is equal to class length, otherwise class size. Now exercise number 14.3. Question number 1. The following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumptions of electricity of 68 customers of a locality. Find median. Now, monthly consumption, number of customers and cumulative frequency CF. So, this is our question. Question is 65 to 85, 85 to 50, 105, 105 to 125, 125 to 145, 145 to 165, 165 to 185, 185 to 205. Now our Fi is equal to 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 8, 4 and sigma Fi is equal to 68. Now we can understood about commutative frequency. See here 4 as this is 4 plus 5 is equal to 9, 9 plus 13 is equal to 22, 22 plus 20 is equal to 42, 42 plus 14 is equal to 56, 56 plus 8 is equal to 64, 64 plus 4 is equal to 68. So we have to add every frequency and write the cumulative frequency. Now here n is equal to 68. See the number of frequency is equal to 68. So n by 2 is equal to 68 by 34. So our 34th observation lies in the class 125 to 145. See here we can see that the 34th observation where it is lies into 125. See here 34 is after 22 and inside the 42. So our this full, so 125 to 145, our 34th observation median is lie. So the median class is 125 to 145. Lower limits of the median is equal to 125. See there, this is lower limit, this is the upper limit. CF is equal to the class preceding the median class. So class preceding the median class 42 up is 22. Frequency of the median class is equal to 2. See here frequency of the median class is equal to 20. Now height means class size equal to 20. Now you know understood that what is the median formula. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. 125 34 minus 22 by 34 minus 20 is equal to 12. 12 20 20 cut, so 12 as it is. 125 by plus 12 is equal to 135. So our median is equal to 137. Now question number 2. If the median of the distributions given below is 28.5, find the value of x and y. Here class is given, frequency is given. See here x and y is missing. So we have to write it here. Now total frequency is equal to 60 given. So class we have to write, frequency we have to write, addition 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. Now CF 5 as it is, 5 plus x, 25 plus x, 15, 40 plus x plus y, 40 plus x plus y, and 40 plus 5, 45 plus x plus y. Now we have to understood about our median. The median is given in the question 28.5. It is lie in the class 20 to 30. See that here we have to see that 25 plus x. So 28.5 is lie into 20 to 30. So L is equal to 20, N by 2 is equal to 60 by 2, 30, F is equal to 20, CF is equal to 5 plus x, and H is equal to 10. Now we can understood about the median formula. Median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. So median is given in the question 28.5 is equal to 20 plus 30 minus 5 plus x by 20 into 100. 30 minus 5 minus x by 2. 10 2s are 20. So 25 minus x by 2, 2 is going to here. So 8.5 into 2 is equal to 17. Plus 25, x is coming here and 17 is going. So 25 minus 17 is equal to x. So we can get the frequency x is equal to 8. Same way, 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. We have to put the value of x is equal to 8 here. So x plus y is equal to 60 minus 45. So x plus y is equal to 15. Putting x is equal to 8 here. So 8 plus y is equal to 15. Y is equal to 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. So we can get x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 7. Now question number 3. A life insurance agent found the following data for the distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. Calculate the median age if the policy are given only the person having the age of 18 onwards and less than 60, which means that the policy is given who are after 18 years, 19, 20, 20 years, and before 60 years, means 60 years or less. So age below 20, below 25, below 30, below 35, below 40, below 45, below 50, below 55, below 60, and frequency is given here. So now our answer is as given in the question that the age of person is maximum 18 year. Our first class will be 18 to 20. The number of policy holders given in actually commutative frequency. Hence we will find the frequency also. So in the question they are given as a commutative frequency. So age 18 to 20 we have to convert the class. Below 20 means 18 to 20. 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, say 55 to 60, and FI. See that CF is given 2, 6, 24, 45, 78, 89, 92, 98 and 100. This is our CF. Now 2 is as usual. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 24 minus 6 is equal to 18. 45 minus 24 is equal to 21. Like this we have to find the FI. Now FI is equal to 100. So N is equal to 100. N by 2 is equal to 100 by 2 is equal to 50. The 50th observation lies in the class 35 to 40, so that the median class is 35 to 40. L is equal to 35, N by 2 is equal to 50, CF is equal to 45, F is equal to 33, and H is equal to 5. Median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by H into H. 35 plus 50 minus 45, 35 into H. So 50 minus 45 is equal to 5 by 35 into 5. 5 is at 25 by 33. So 25 by 33 is equal to 0.76. So answer is 35.76. So median age of the policy holder is 35.76 year. Now question number 4. The length of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to nearest millimeter, and data obtained is present in the following table. Length in millimeter, number of leaves. See here, all the things are given. Now find the median length of the leaves. Now here there are no continuous classes. So first of all we can convert the class into continuous class. So length in millimeter. So we can see that in the lower limit we can cut 0.5 and in upper limit we have to add 0.5. So 116, 117 we have to, 118 we have to cut it. So 117.5, 126.5, 126.5 to 135.5, 135.5 to 144.5, 144.5, 153.5. Like this we have to arrange the class. Now number of leaves is equal to 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4, 3, 40. Now CF is equal to 3 as is 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 9, 17, 17 plus 12, 29, 29 plus 5, 34, 34, 5, 38, 38 plus 2 is equal to 40. Now we can find n. N is equal to 40, so n by 2 is equal to 40 by 2 is equal to 20. Now 20th observation lies in the class length 144.5 to 153.5. So our median class is equal to 144.5 to 153.5. Now we can say that lower limit is equal to 144.5, n by 2 is equal to 20, CF is equal to 70, F 12 and H 9. Now median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So 144.5 plus 20 minus 17 by 12 into 9. 20 minus 17 is equal to 3 by 12 into 9. 9 3s are 27 by 12. 27 by 12 is equal to 2.25. So our median is equal to 146.75. So the median length of the leaves is 146.75 millimeter. Now question number 5. The following table gives the distribution of the lifetime of 4,000 lamps. Find the median lifetime of a lamp. Lifetime in hours class. Number of lamp Fi. Cumulative frequency is equal to Cf. Now class is equal to 1500, 2000, 2000 to 1500, 2500 to 3000, 3000 to 3500, 3500 to 4000, 4000 to 4500, 5500 to 5000. Now Fi is equal to 14, 56, 60, 86, 74, 60 to 48. Total Fi is equal to 400. Now CF 14 as it is, 14 plus 56, 70, 70 plus 60, 130, 130 plus 86, 216, 216 plus 74, 290, 290 plus 62, 352, 352 plus 48 is equal to 400. Now n is equal to 400, n by 2 is equal to 400 by 2. See that so to 200th observation is lie in the class 3000 to 3500. So our median class is equal to 3000 to 3500. So lower limit is equal to 3000. N by 2 is equal to 200. CF is equal to 130. F is equal to 86. And H is equal to 500. Median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF into F by F into H. So 3000 plus 200 minus 130 by 86 multiply 500. So 3000 plus 70 by 86 multiply 500. So 700 multiply 500 is equal to 3500 divided by 86 is equal to 406.98 plus 3000 is equal to 3406.98. So the median life of the lamp is 3406.98 hours. So question number 6 and question number 7 you have to do it yourself. Now question exercise number 14.4. Question number 1. The following distribution gives the daily income of 50 workers of a factory. Daily income 100 to 120, 120 to 140, 140 to 160, 160 to 180, 180 to 200. Now number of workers 12, 14, 8, 6 and 10. Convert the distribution above to the less than type of commutative frequency distribution and draw its ogive. Here we have to see that we have to draw the graph. So for that we have to need x-axis and y-axis. So now we have to first make less than type of commutative frequency. For that we have to make the class into less than. So we have to see the upper limit 120. So less than 120. So here we have to write less than 120, then less than 140, less than 160, less than 180 and less than 200. Now see that number of workers, first 12. Now less than 140 means 12 and 14 plus 26. 12, 14, 8, 34. 12, 14, 8, 6 is equal to 40. 12, 14, 8, 6 and 10 is equal to 50. Now we get a plot the points. So we will join them in the graph and we will find curve. For this we have to use x. On x-axis we have to write a daily income 120, 140, 160, 180 and 200. On y-axis we have to write number of workers 12, 26, 34, 40 and 50. So let's we see the graph. So on x-axis we are write upper limits, on y-axis we are write commutative frequency. Here we draw the nick, which we learn in our 8th standard when we are starting from the bigger one and cut something. So we have to cut the graph with lying z. So we have draw here nick. So 100, then 2 boxes left, 120, 2 boxes left, 140, 2 boxes left, 160, 2 boxes left, 180 and 200. This is our x-axis. On y-axis 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 45 and 50. Now we have to see that 120. At that time the frequency is 12. So 10, 11 and 12. So we have to put it here 120 and 12 and put a dot. Now 140 at that time the frequency is 26. 160 at that time the frequency is 34. And 180 at that time frequency is equal to 40. And 200 at that time frequency is equal to 50. Now join the dots and write here less than type of ogive. This is how to plot the graph in a statistic. Okay. Now question number 2. During the medical checkup of 35 students of a class, their weights were recorded as follow. Now weight in kgs: less than 38, less than 40, less than 42, less than 44, less than 46, less than 48, less than 50, less than 52. Number of students 0, 3, 5, 9, 14, 28, 32 and 35. Now draw less than types of ogive for the given data. Hence obtain the median weight from the graph and verify the result by using the formula. So first of all we have to plot the graph. So we are plotting the graph to draw ogive. We have to first need x and y 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52. And y 0, 3, 5, 9, 14, 28, 32 and 35. Then we have to find the median. So for this we need a graph. On x-axis we are writing upper limit. On y-axis we are writing cumulative frequency. So we need nick. Now you students know that why we are drawing nick, otherwise lying z cut. 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50 and 52. Now 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35. First of all at 38 we have to write 0. Now 42, 3, 42, 5, 44, 9, 46, 40, 48, 28, 50, 32, 52, 35. So we have to adjust exact middle. See here, exact middle is 44, 6.5. Otherwise, here you see that 46.5 and here you see that 17.5. So from the OJI we see that on x coordinate P is 46.5, hence median of the data is 46.5 kg. Now we can understood from the median formula. Okay, now from the median formula we will also calculate the median. Here we have to write a class. You know that 38 to 40, 40 to 42, 42 to 46, 44, 44 to 46, 46 to 48, 48 to 50, 50 to 52. Now Fi is equal to 3, then 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. See that from CF we have to write Fi. 9 minus 5, 4, 14 minus 9, 5, 28 minus 14, 14, 32 minus 28, 4, 35, 32, 3. So number of frequency is equal to 35. Now CF given in the question. So first of all we have to find number n is equal to 35 means 17.5. 17.5 is lie in the class 46 to 48. So our median class is equal to 46 to 48. So L is equal to 46, N by 2 is equal to 17.5, CF is equal to 14, F is equal to 14 and H is equal to 2. As we know that median formula is L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. So 46 plus 17.5 minus 14 by 14 into 2. So 3.5 by 14 into 2. So 3.5 2s are 7. 7 by 14 is equal to 0.5. So 46 plus 0.5 is equal to 46.5 kg, which we already seen in our graph. So as the graph method, our median is 46.5, and when we count from the median formula, it is also 46.5 kg. Now question number 3. The following tables gives production yield per hectare of wheat of 100 farms of a village. So production 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 65 to 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 75, 75 to 80. Now number of farms 2, 8, 12, 24, 38 and 60. Now we have to use more than types of frequency distribution. So we are writing production of in kg more than 50, more than 55, more than 60, more than 65, more than 75, 70, more than 75. Now commutative frequency is equal to 2 plus 8. So we have to start from the last because we are writing the more than frequency. So first of all we can add all the distribution Fi. 2, 8, 12, 24, 38 and 16 is equal to 100. Now we can remove the first frequency. So 2 is removable. So 8 plus 12 plus 24 plus 36 plus 16 is equal to 98. Then 8 is removed. So 12 plus 24 plus 36 plus 16 is equal to 90. Now 12 removed, 24, 36, 16, 78. Now 24 remove 36 plus 16 is equal to 54. Now 36 remove 16 is equal to 16. Now we have understood about plotting the graph. So we need x and y. So x is equal to 50, 55, 60, 65, 70 and 75. Now y is equal to 100, 98, 90, 78, 54 and 16. Now we can plot this into the graph. Now here we write lower limits and draw the neck. 50, 55, 60, 65, 70 and 75. Here we are writing 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 to 100. So on y-axis we are drawing till to 100. Now we have to see that first of all we have to see that 50. At that time we have to show that 100. So here we have to see that 100 is here. Now 55 is equal to 98, 60 is equal to 90, 65 is equal to 78, 70 is equal to 54 and last one 75 is 16. So this is our ogive. So this is our more than type of ogive curves. Thank you. Students, I already sent all the sums in your PDF. Here our chapter number 14 is over. Thank you.